Okay, I didn't want to do this video, but I figured I'd do it anyway. These are the ones that things I started with seeds. They were doing pretty good. We were having a heat wave, and then it started cooling off outside. I figured I'll set them outside in the shade so it gets a little more daylight. And after about an hour or two, they start dying on me. It's a shame. This is why I'm calling this the good, the bad, and the ugly. That I'm gonna give you all aspects of what I'm doing. The good thing is I saved a few of them. These are I actually planted 4 here, and at first I thought they was dying because they looked like they were strangling and stuff. There was a heat wave going on, and I just kept them out here, kept them watered, and they're actually growing now. I'm getting a bud on this one here. That's awesome. So I saved 3 plants anyway. Let's see. Yeah, the 4th didn't make it. I need to tie this up. Okay, these here, their bloom's over now to next year. This is 1st of August, and the blooms are over. They're done with to next year. Okay, all of these are doing okay. That one lemongrass is done. This other one, thought it was done. I got a surprise here too. I think, no, maybe not. I don't know if that one thing's the weed or part of that flower over there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna let it grow and find out. Then we got these here. The blooms on these are done. The trees are doing fine. Got more weeds to pull. These hostas here, they're gonna have some late blooms on them. Not like the other hostas. The other hostas have early blooms. These are gonna have late blooms. And let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I gotta stake this one here up. Maybe redig it. These are okay. Blooms are done on these. Gladiolas, hostas, blooms are done on these. Daylilies, the blooms are done on these. They were looking pretty for a while. Look like we might have one bloom right here. This is a bad spot. We try to plant all kind of stuff here. It's not getting enough sun, and I don't know what to do. I don't know if the moles are killing these plants or what. Okay, these hostas here, they're going to have some blooms on them too later. I'll show that later when we get it. These gladiolas had it. Yeah, I don't think there's nothing left in these. I hope they're empty. And this is only a first time spring thing here. These plants here. God, I forgot the name of it again. Grapes are doing great. We try to treat the grapes for these beetles. And if squirrels come and get them, I'm going to have to cover them up with a netting. These are Concord grapes. And then down here we got some green grapes. They're not ready for picking yet. Well, they're in here somewhere anyway. I had great sunflowers last year. This year, not so much. That one broke, looked like. I don't know. Not having good luck with sunflowers or lettuce this year. We had quite a few strawberries. I'm getting some more runners. The last runners I planted didn't survive. I'm gonna have to do some study on that. We've been getting a lot of strawberries though. You see one runner right there. These hostas are gonna be blooming. You can see some blooms on them already. These gladiolas has it. Look at these blooms here. That one, Dusty Miller, is still surviving. We had a whole bunch in there, but we started killing them. I just left that one. These are currant plants. That one's doing pretty good. I checked the pH this morning. They're okay. That one, I don't know what to do about that one there. That one looks like it's about to die. I know when I watered it the other day, that ground was so dry. Might have killed the roots. And this one here, I don't know about this one here either. It looks a little sick. That's the worst one there. These are different color fruits here of currants. And the blackberries, I need to trim this one limb out of the way. We don't have a lot of blackberries yet. There's some here, it's not ready for picking yet. We used to let them grow hog wild and had all kinds of blackberries, but we want to be able to get in here. So we've had to start training them. Yeah. Fruit tree's not doing so good either. This one had it because of the frost we had earlier in the year. This one here got some kind of disease, this apple tree. The other one there is a plum tree. Last year we got all kinds of plums off of it. The owner didn't want to cover these trees up. They're kind of tall anyway. I think we should only grow them about 10 feet and be able to cover them up when we have frost or something. And this tree here, this is a pear tree. We got a few pears off of here. What that sweet gum doing on here? It don't even belong on here. We had a storm a while back and winds were blowing like crazy. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is a peach tree. We've been getting some peaches off of here, not a lot. See a bunch on the ground. This one here that I was eating. Oh, that was eaten. Squirrels. Anyway, we got a few off of here. We've been trying to pick them a little early, put them in bags, and try to get them ripened that way. I also put pie pans in here. I don't know if you've seen them. There. One there, one there, one here. When the wind blows, they'll be knocking around. They kind of keep the squirrels down a little bit, but I don't think a whole lot. And still got a lot of peaches on here. We got this one thing on a pole where we just stick it up in there and knock the peaches in the basket. We have like a nice one over there. You see that there? This is a cherry tree. No, that's the cherry tree. That's not doing so well. Got to figure out why. I forgot what tree this is again. Anyway, potatoes not doing so well. We'll try again next year. Watermelon. There's my watermelon right there. But I looked at it this morning. I turned it over. Got a dark spot on it. That may not make it. And got a lot of flowers on my watermelon plant. And I saw another watermelon somewhere, a small one. I took some videos earlier. I just never posted them yet. A little sweat bee over here. Oh, right here. And where's it at? Yeah, right there. There it is. That's my other baby watermelon coming up. And I think I got another one hidden somewhere. Pepperoncini, we've been getting quite a few from them. I've been eating them on sandwiches without pickling them. Jalapeno, we've been getting a few from there, not as much as last year. Cucumbers, we've been getting a lot of cucumbers. A lot of cucumbers. These are pickle cucumbers, not the kind like I had last year. It grew about 14 inches long. And this is my cherry tomato plant. There will be there pollinating. I don't know if you can see them. Anyway, this, come on, I'm trying to fix my focus there. This cherry tomato plant grew wild from last year. The seeds fell in the ground, froze over winter, and popped back up. Then we got this other, it's not cherry tomatoes, it's a grape tomato plant. And then I got a cherry tomato plant. I saved the seeds from last year, stuck them in a cool, dry place, which I will show later on in the season, near the fall, in the fall maybe. And that thing is producing like wild. And this is supposed to be beefsteak tomato plants here. Didn't really get no tomatoes off of that yet. That I saved the seeds from last year. I'm gonna save the seeds again. I got more jalapeno here. I haven't been trimming these like I should have. I've been busy doing other stuff, so they're running wild. I'm just gonna let them go this year. Next year I'm gonna train them, do a better job next year. And my yellow hot peppers, what they call jalapenos, I don't know, because they're hotter than jalapenos that I know of. Sweet peppers, we've been picking them. We've actually been picking these fruit early because when we get a heavy rain, oh, I forgot one right here. Let me grab this one here. Let me pick this one here. These are sweet peppers. Then we got bell peppers. They haven't been, we've been picking them early, like I said. So the bugs don't, I don't know, I got this cover up. We're still getting bugs in here. More tomato, well, this is the other side of the garden. So, I don't know. I want to show you something though. Where was it? I threw it over here. Well, the bug's been eating that. But if you know you're gonna get a big heavy rainstorm, if you don't pick them early, I don't care if they're getting close to ripe, before they get ripe. A heavier rain will bust these out. All the moisture will come from inside the plant, go up into the fruit and burst the fruit open. Should have saved one for this video, but I didn't. Anyway, I've been picking them, throwing them. Wow, yeah, here's one right here. See? That's from too much moisture down in the ground from a heavy rain. And it goes inside the plant, up the stem, and bursts the fruit. I learned, which I didn't know before. And our raspberry plant, we only got a couple of that, I think. Not much this year. I was going to fertilize today, but we're supposed to get some heavy rain tonight, tomorrow, about 2 inches. So I picked my fruit early. Anything that's close to being ripened, I went ahead and picked it. First year doing zucchini, and I noticed one has a lot of ants on it. And we don't have no female plants on it. So if you get a thick skin behind the flower, you have that'll be a female plant. The thin, narrow stem on these plants, they're actually males, and they're not going to produce anything. We got some more buds down there, but this thing's full of ants. Never saw that anything like that before. Can't focus on this thing here. Let's see. For some reason, my automatic focus is not working. Tell you what, let me go to one zoom. Okay. Anyway. Okay, this is my new grass plant I bought this year. It was drying out, almost dying, so I watered it. I put it up here on the deck out of the full sun. And this is that's my lemongrass. This is my mosquito plant. That what you call it again? Oh, citronella. And it smells like lemon. They don't really work for mosquitoes unless you rub them on your skin, they say. But during full sun, I bring it back here under the shade. And right now I got her in opens because we had a little drizzle overnight. Supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow, so keep them watered. Okay, this is a peach I picked this morning. We're gonna cut this bad part off. It's nice and soft though. We're ready to eat. We'll eat the good part. Here's a strawberry I picked today too. Running short on strawberries. That's the pear we picked yesterday. And here's a cucumber I picked today. And half of these I picked today. I picked these today. These sweet peppers, jalapenos, pepperoncinis, tomatoes, hot yellow peppers. These are super hot. We got a lot of small tomatoes. These don't have no sandwich sized tomatoes. That's what the problem is. And then I'm waiting for my beef steak to grow up. I want to wait until after the rain. I want to fertilize again and see what happens. Well, I hope this helps you some. Anyway, you see what type of problem I'm having. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like. And until next time, I try to keep making more videos a little more often here.